Unfasten straps and remove liner from Walker. Do not remove pull tabs yet. Place lower leg and foot into the liner. Place additional pads as needed to accommodate for rubbing and spacing from the liner shell or straps. Close following the order shown. Insert foot into Walker. Ensure that the heel is fully seated in the shell and that the struts are centered over the ankle bone. The foot should be 90 degrees to the lower leg. There should not be a gap between the heel and shell. Pull release tabs on both sides on the shell to attach to the liner and fasten straps as shown. Remove the Walker by unfastening the straps and opening the liner. Walker plastic can be washed with a damp cloth and mild soap. Remove liner from Walker before washing. Hand wash using mild detergent and rinse thoroughly. Air dry. Note: do not machine wash, tumble dry, iron, bleach or wash with fabric softener. Avoid contact with salt or chlorinated water. In case of contact, rinse with fresh water and air dry. For accessories and replacement parts, please refer to the Össur catalogue.